Hello my little love muffins. Now I know you said you wanted me to do another video at this angle in real time around your person. Your person. Do I feel like, what's that thing where he puts his arm out and he has it and it goes like that? It's in the original thing with Arnold Schwarzenegger. Oh my god. Where they live on another planet. Not Terminator. Jeez Louise, why can't I remember that? Quaid, Douglas Quaid. What is that film? What's that film? I can't think of it. Douglas Quaid, and they get to the air to the other planet, and the guy, and he has an arm. He's a mutant, and he pulls out his arm, and it goes like that. You remember the film? What is that film, and why can't I think of it? Oh my god, it's been a long day. Anyway, by now I would have finished the reading and then put what are you here, so I know you're here for that. Whatever I've written there. Let's see what's going on with your person. What is going on? What is going on with your person? Whatever comes out, this is real time. You can be connecting with the cards right now. You could be taking deep breaths. Spirit's throwing the cards everywhere. This is tarot in real time. You should always, I do lots of readings where I do the reading the cards beforehand, but you should be able to see sometimes with a reader them doing tarot in real time. The star card. You know what the star is? It says it's brochette, which is French for it's meant to be. You are meant to be together. This connection is meant to be. I feel like I need to come down here so you can see me properly. The Magician. Manifesting. Your person's been manifesting you. So you must be in touch with them. So you've got the Magician and the Star. Those are pretty powerful cards, darling. Pretty powerful energies. You're strongly manifesting your person. No. You're the manifester. Seven of Swords reversed. Right. So, Three of Swords at the bottom. I knew it. I swear to God. That's why I'm psychic. Right. So what do we have here? You're the manifester. You're trying to manifest your person to be someone decent because your person is a little lying, cheating rat bag. Lying, cheating rat bag we've got here with the Three of Swords and the Seven of Swords reversed. Sweetie pie, sweetie pie, sweetie pie. The thing is about manifesting. Try not to put a face to your manifestations and your spell work, because what will happen is you'll end up manifesting somebody, my little love, who's just toxic for you. Who's toxic? You don't want that. You don't want someone who's toxic for you. No matter, I know what, you want them, but you want them not to be toxic, right? That's what you're saying. You're like, well, no, it's not that. I want them, but I want them not to be toxic. But you cannot mess with free will. You just can't. That is their journey to learn. That's their experience to have. So what you've done here with this Seven of Swords reversed and Three of Swords is you're manifesting them to stay with you. But they're a lying, cheating rat bag. There's just no way around that. That's what they are. Nine of Cups. The thing is as well, you've got strong manifesting power. So I really feel like you should switch from manifesting them to manifesting someone who's healthy for you. I'm seeing someone who's very tall, and I'm seeing someone who's very attractive. This person juggles you and someone else, and you want them to choose you. You want them to choose you, don't you? Oh, let's have a look. I just did a reading about juggling, actually. Someone juggling you and somebody else. So I wonder if they've crossed over somehow. Maybe the collective who it's for. Yeah. Okay, so what is the person going to do? What are they going to do? Let's have a look. Where are they right now? What are they going to do? Page of Swords. They're going to contact you. They're going to contact you. Is that all that you want, or do you want them to change? Page of Pentacles. They're not lost interest, but it's a very immature energy. Why can I see someone stomping their feet? Is that you or them? I feel like it's them. I feel like they stomped their feet in an argument. I feel like they gaslight you. It's the only way they know how to control you. And they want to control you. Right, so we know they're going to reach out, but what are you going to do about this? Are they going to change? Are they ever going to change? Are they the one? Are they ever going to change? Let's have a look. What do we have? Right, 8 of Cups, with the Queen of Cups, the Tower card. My love, my darling, you must move away from this relationship. I know TikTok is riddled with every single card reading. It's meant to be. He's going to message you and you're going to get back together and everything's going to be amazing. But even if half of the readings it's yes, because it's 50-50, right? If a relationship works or not. But not all of the readings. It can't be. It just can't be. And darling, this is one of them readings where I'm telling you to run for the hills, because you have to walk away. This person is not going to change. You have to heal from this connection, because you've got the Tower card. Listen, if you do not and you stay in this connection, in next year you'll be having to leave. 5 years from now, you'll be having to leave. 10 years from now. So I know you're saying, well, I've invested all this time, this energy into them. Okay, well, go invest another 10 and then have to walk away. Go invest another 5 and then have to walk away. So you have to just sometimes, and 2 packs your course with this, sometimes you have to leave all the pieces on the floor and say, fuck it, and just get up and walk away. You just have to do that sometimes, okay? Don't let your ego take over. You've got to detach yourself from this person before you become more and more trauma bonded. And I know you've been crying. I can see it. I can feel it. You've been crying. You don't want to detach yourself from them. But you've got to. You've got to. And that's it. Okay? If you see a reader on here and every single one of the readers are like, this person's going to come back, they're going to change, and every one of the readings is like that, that's a fake reader. Because it just doesn't work out like that, darling. Okay? Sometimes you have to put our big girl pants on or our big boy pants on, and we just got to get on with it. I'm sending you so much love. I don't know what to put in there now, because if I put in here, there's a dirty rat bag and you need to walk. My battery's just run out. No one's going to watch the reading because no one wants to know that. But I'm going to do it. All right, I love you. Have a good night. Bye. Mwah.